What's up guys, in this video we're gonna go take a ride. Fall is here, the leaves have turned colors. It's hoodie season, let's go ride. Oh, here's a project. We're gonna put a bridge across the creek for our bike trail, one-wheel trail over here. So I found this log here. I wanted to put it across the creek. See if we can do that. Just for fun. With the Altera. Gonna go right along the bank. Oh, abort that mission. We lost the strap. Got a better idea anyway. Winch it across. So this is the Warn VRX 35S, 3,500 pounds, synthetic line, easy on the hands. Got a winch bumper here. You can check that out. I'll have that down below. But yeah, this is a 3,500 pound winch. It is pretty good. Alright, so we'll winch this across here, see if that'll work. And the Warn VRX 35S, I'll have this down below as well. You can check it out. This is a pretty awesome winch. Just about any pulling you need to do. Get yourself out of anywhere. I always put a winch on the front of my ATVs. Mostly just use them for pulling stuff out of the way, trees and stuff. You got free spool, and you've got it engaged. Once you flip it to engaged, you have a little tug on it, and that locks it into the gears. Got a handlebar mounted rocker switch on there. Just go ahead and back up a little bit. Alright, that's as far as I want to go. You want to give your battery a chance to recharge and everything, and the winch needs a rest period, so you can read all about that in the manual and everything. I see a lot of people on the internet don't use their winch the correct way, I guess, as it says in the manual, but to each his own, I guess. I think I have to pull it off that other tree stump it fell into. So I'm gonna have to jerk it that way. Toe points everywhere. That should go across now. Now I've heard some guys say not to pull in reverse with Arctic Cat because of the bevel gear. I've rebuilt an engine once, redid the bevel gears, reshim and all that stuff. I pulled the one-way bearing out of one too, and did those bevel gears, and that thing shot off a lot better. So I had a tighter clearance on them. I don't always pull in reverse. Whenever I can, I try to pull forwards. That's the creek bank. Alright, we'll roll it up onto the creek bank. And then I think we're gonna build a ramp up to it, so you can just hop right on the log and right across. So I'll pull from there. Nope, lost our hook. Alright, now we're out of the bank. So you come down this turn, you can either hit that tabletop, you can jump onto those, or you can cut tighter, hit this corner, go across the creek on that little bridge over there. So when you're coming back, you could hit this turn and either take this, or we'll go across the bridge here. So I think I need to be right here. So I need to tug it back this way, about 3 feet. All the leaves are wet. I think I pulled it too far. Now we'll pull the front of a tree. Which side's the front of a tree? Pull the top of the tree over about 5 feet. If you know what the front of a tree is, let me know down in the comments below. Going this way 5 feet. I love getting out here and doing this with the ATVs. Pulling on stuff, cleaning up the woods, making them look like a park. That's what I like to do. This will be an easy pull. Why do they have tow hooks on the front? They don't want you to pull them. Is that for extracting yourself out? You can do that too, but I'm gonna pull somebody else out. Five feet. Alright, we can angle this to whatever angle we want to go across, but let's see here. We're going to flip it over, cut this off. We have these 2 feet sort of things. Plant them down into the ground. So, flip it over. That top to catch. Well, we could flip it the other way. Alright, we we've almost got it. We just need to move that end a little bit over, because when I twisted it, it pulled it over. So just move that side a little bit. Wow, this is gonna be a ride. It's kind of springy up here. That way, out of the way of this berm. I could just continue this berm up to it. That'll give us a ramp up to it. Then we'll just screw our boards all down on it, make it a bridge, clear the branches out of the way. There we go. I think that's where we want to be. Get rid of this so it's out of this trail. There we go. It's got a bridge now. All that was a little four-wheeler. Huh. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the conclusion of building this bridge, we're going to do a little tool review next time. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want to check out the links below for the winch and everything, it's all linked below. I'll see you guys in the next video.